How's it looking, Jed, in the Bob Mills Weather Center?
So we'll take a look back and get a running start into our forecast, and you can see our temperatures yesterday really were very pleasant. We were expecting highs up near 66, and that's about where we were yesterday afternoon. Boy, very mild start yesterday morning, some 50s. Had a cold front move through, and that has dropped us off a bit. We've now dropped down into the low 40s this morning, but no extreme cold for now showing up here in Oklahoma. You got the for now there. Did you hear that? It's coming our way eventually. Let's talk about those conditions out there this morning. There's the front that came through yesterday. That's now off to our east. Next storm right here, this is going to roll our way, and this is going to roll up across Oklahoma, and it's going to increase clouds initially, and eventually we'll start to see precip coming our way here this evening and overnight tonight. Right now we're dry in Oklahoma City. Live view looking out from our Integris cam. This is looking at Hefner Parkway. A few folks there, and that's Northwest Expressway. So we've got a few folks out there this morning. The sun comes up now at 7:38. That's 1 minute earlier than yesterday. So our mornings now are starting to creep back through the 7 o'clock hour as days are now slowly but surely getting a bit longer. 43 is where we start here. Calm winds out the door this morning. But the gusts are going to start to increase. Today's winds really, for the most part, pretty tranquil. No extreme winds. Most spots, maybe a gust above 10 miles per hour, maybe near 15. Really, most locations good. Winds to pick up out west, about 10 to 20 miles per hour there. Overnight tonight, may have a little wind around. Put at 10, 20 mile per hour on those winds starting out tomorrow morning. But watch the winds really pick up tomorrow afternoon. They'll be kicking in wind gusts up above 30 miles per hour as another cold front blows in as that next storm rolls across, and expect to see some gusty winds in here for tomorrow. Right now, though, like I said, light winds here for today, and for the most part, pretty decent day today with some sunshine here out the door this morning. We'll see some increasing clouds. As those clouds thicken up, we'll top it out again up in the middle 60s here, maybe some upper 60s coming up for today. It's cold this morning in northern Oklahoma. Got some low 30s there. Stillwater, Ponca, Enid, Alva, and Woodward all hovering right near 32. While you go into southern, into southeast Oklahoma, 40s almost near 50 this morning, down around the Ada area. Again, winds are light, so wind chills are not a major problem, but you will still need a coat this morning in the 30s north, and even those 40s will feel a bit chilly here out the door this morning. So here comes this next storm. We'll bring some rain to Oklahoma. See that kind of rolling up across Oklahoma. Maybe a stray storm as well as we go into tomorrow morning. This is going to be a big snow producer up toward north. Heavy snow, winter storm warnings expected from Colorado, Kansas, up into Nebraska as that storm kind of lifts on toward the north and east, moves off to the east. Out ahead of that line, there's going to be more severe weather coming up for tomorrow. It's been a really bad severe weather season for the deep south. More severe weather, even the possibility of tornadoes in the southeast part of the country again for tomorrow. As we look at our forecast into the weekend, another storm approaches. That'll provide the opportunity for some rain, maybe a little snow in northwest Oklahoma, and then one more system kind of moving our way. And that just will change that jet stream pattern, shifting it back out of the north. Now allow some Canadian air to blow down our way. When that comes down, some colder air is expected sometime Monday into Tuesday. Maybe the Arctic variety coming down, and some rain and some snow expected early next week before that begins to move on out and our pattern tends to quiet back down. 60s on the way today, maybe some upper 50s in northwest Oklahoma, even a few 70s in southern Oklahoma. Here's your rain chances going up this evening. Late today into this evening, best chances in western parts of Oklahoma. That moves up across Oklahoma. Mainly a light rain event, but the rain chances are looking pretty likely here this evening into overnight tonight into the morning hours tomorrow, where a few storms are possible in east Oklahoma, and those scoot out by Wednesday afternoon. As far as rainfall goes, not expecting much between now and 5 o'clock, but after that point, rain chances go up really statewide. Not a heavy event, but some opportunity for maybe 1/10 of an inch of rain, a little bit more in east Oklahoma. Tulsa, Miami expected to get more of the heavier totals. And here for the metro, our totals will stack up about 1/10 of an inch of rain, maybe a spot or two, maybe close to 1/4 of an inch. They're hoping the best for that. Here's your lows tonight dropping into 30s and 40s, and here's your highs tomorrow. Just a notch cooler, highs topping out near 60. We're also watching fire danger with that wind tomorrow. Fire danger is something we've got to watch out for as well. And again, those rain chances, again, possible tonight, drying out tomorrow, and then more chances of rain returning to our forecast by Saturday, maybe a colder system on Monday.